Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1, the only season, episode 15. I'm so glad to be back for a session of binge watching of Death Note. 2 weeks ago now? More than that. 3 weeks ago at least. Because last week I watched some episode of The Legend of Korra. The 2 weeks before that it was all about La Casa de Papel. So really, or Moneyist if you don't know the name of it in Spanish. So really, at least 3 weeks that I didn't watch any episode of Death Note. I missed it, you know, I missed it. I'm spending a good time watching it. Maybe it's weird, but I consider it as a fun anime, as a fun thing to watch. You know, I'm spending a good time watching it. I'm really trying to play with the characters, to make a lot of theories, to try to understand their psychologies, but also how each one can catch the other one, how they can do stuff, and they have so many good lines, also Ryuke, but also L. It's really cynical, and I appreciate that kind of humor, so really, I don't know why, in my head, I associated Death Note with a funny show, which is not the case. Light is killing people into this show, and he's a fucking psychopath. I can't tell it enough. Okay, I know that you are finding him cool, that you think that he's classy, you know, that you think that he's right also. Some of you think that he's right. It's not my case, you know. My thought, you know, about that, I believe in second chance, I believe in redemption, so I can't accept, you know, death penalty coming from nowhere, even less. And also the guy is just crazy because he wants to be the god of this new world that he's gonna create, and he's gonna be the judge, the god, the leader of that new world. Like, really? He has a big head, Light. I appreciate his character a lot. I appreciate his psychology, I appreciate how clever he is, I appreciate a lot of things coming from him, but I can't agree with what he's doing. And also, one of his big defaults is really something that I don't like at all, even in real life. It's the fact that he's so arrogant, you know, he believes into himself so much, like it's too much. His attitude, the fact that he has no doubt about what he's doing and for what reason he's doing it, the fact that he doesn't regret anything at any point, the fact that he's just so proud of himself and all. I hate that, and I said it a lot. I think that it's his big weakness, because at some point I think that because of that he's gonna be discovered, you know, because of the fact that he didn't think about one thing, he was too confident on himself, he didn't hide enough what he was doing, you know, maybe something like that, we'll see. L, on the contrary, he has a lot of things, you know, in common with Light. The fact that they are both clever, the fact that they are both playing that game is weird, you know, when Light is classy, but I like that kind of weird, so I appreciate his mood, you know, that's something like that. And I love the fact that in opposite of Light, L, he has doubts, you know, he's not at 100% sure of things, you know, just like that, just because he thinks so, all of his percentage and all. I love that, it's really fun. But yes, I love that about him, the fact that he has doubts about things. One of his big defaults, maybe it can be the fact that he's gonna learn to trust Light. I was surprised, you know, by him saying during one of the last episodes that he considered Light as one of his best friends. During the episode, I was like, you're trying to manipulate him, you know, you're trying to have him by the feelings, you're trying to do something right there, it can't be right. but I don't know, I'm afraid of that being possible. We'll see. One of my other theories is the fact that Ryuko is getting really more and more involved into what Light is doing. He already did stuff for Light, okay, because he wanted to have things in exchange for the apples, for example. But you know, by getting him more involved each time, I'm like, maybe at some point it's gonna be too much. Like we learned during one of the last episodes that the Shinigami, they can protect, in fact, the people that they are following, that they can avoid their death, but because of that they are disappearing and all. But because of that they would disappear and all, so can it be the case right there? At some point maybe Ryuko is gonna do that? It's not one of my theories, but I'm wondering about it. One of my big theories, the fact that all of this story, you know, all of that show is in fact us watching Light becoming a Shinigami. I don't know why, I have this idea that at the end is gonna be one of the Shinigami. We'll see. I have plenty of other theories, like the fact that I think that Light did something wrong before having the Death Note. He implied that, you know, talking with Ryuko implied that having the Death Note and doing what he's doing, it's not the first time that he's doing something wrong morally. So I'm wondering about that, and the fact that we began the show first episode he was already a psychopath, it's making me wondering also about what happened to him before that. What did he do before that into his life? So I have this theory also. See, so many theories, and I'm playing with my theories like I'm playing with the show, and each clues, you know, that they are giving me little by little. And in each episode they are managing to surprise me, I mean the writers. Like each time I was surprised when L revealed himself to Light just like that, revealed also that Light is one of the suspects. All of what they are doing, each time it's surprising me, like creating a fake hero, but in fact it's gonna be that girl helping Light, giving to Light her own Death Note and all. That girl, I think that Light is never gonna be able to control her. He can use her for sure, but she's unpredictable, and because of that she's dangerous for Light, you know. Okay, she proved herself that she can hide herself well, you know, she planned all of that for the tapes and all, so she proved herself right there. But her attitude with Light, being so in love with him, being jealous and all, I'm not sure that she's gonna stay with us for a long time. I couldn't imagine Light who could want to share, you know, that power with someone. Like he wants to be the god of that new world, so he's not gonna accept that someone can have that power also, can have a Shinigami with him or her also. So I was surprised with Light accepting the deal. The fact that the girl is almost promising him to be his slave, it's helping the situation, I think. But again, she's unpredictable, so we'll see. And I'm gonna see that right now. I'm gonna watch one episode, maybe more than that. At least 2, I think. And if I have the time, I'm gonna watch more. I'm glad to be there for Death Note. Like usually, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier. For now, I think that it's 1 week earlier or 1 day earlier. Check the description to know that. And with an extended or a full reaction part, I put 2 full reaction parts so far for Death Note. Again, check the description to know that. Let's go for Death Note. The weather is is changing a lot today, so don't be surprised, you know, if the light is changing a lot. That's an helicopter, yes, I was not dreaming. It has been a long time now since I had some helicopters, you know. I'm living near to an hospital, and during the COVID time it was a lot, at least 1 each day. I knew how the situation was, bad or not, according to how many helicopters I had during the week. And it has been really a long time since the last one. It's weird.
If you take me to where he is, I can kill him immediately. Misa, I need you to give me your cell phone number.
About time! What took you so long? I'm your girlfriend. I should have your number.
She's unpredictable and jealous. Really, she's dangerous for you, Light.
It's not difficult for them
Can't
to
see it.
cell phone.
I'll just give you one of my phones. I ended up with 3 of them. Right?
She's gonna call you all day.
Every day and text you too.
No, I'll keep this one turned off. I'll be the only one making the calls.
Stop playing the man with her.
Then when are you gonna call me?
Probably tomorrow. That will most likely be.
Doesn't sound like a very romantic call, but I suppose we can always talk about us afterwards.
Well, I think you should probably go.
At some point, she's gonna annoy you too much.
Life with lovers is just beginning, you know.
She's beginning
We do
to.
one night stroll in the park, and after that, the main event.
Oh, wow.
You really want her to have an heart attack? Or just to close her mouth?
Bye bye. Have a good night. Bye
She's dreaming like.
To decide if Elle should die tomorrow.
If?
Since he hasn't gone public yet, if Ryuga dies, the other task force members will be suspicious of me.
Yes, maybe not so soon.
Hesitating, because he said he thinks of you as a friend. A friend? I just gave him what he wanted.
I said in the intro that I was afraid that at some point Elle was gonna
That's right.
believe in it, you know, too much, the you're my friend thing.
He must die.
Can you?
Tomorrow will be Elle's, or at least Ryuga and Ryuzaki's, last day alive.
You wish.
If I die within the next few days, your son is Kira. Another hair. If Kira and the second Kira are working together right now, things are not looking good for me.
So
I have
clever.
no choice but to make a sneak attack. This is all a wager now.
What kind of sneak attack?
I wouldn't say that. I just know how to get by, that's all.
What's wrong?
Your girl? No. Ah! I discussed
Hey, Light!
with you about that potential ship.
Didn't you say you were afraid to appear in public?
Yeah, I did. But then I realized that as long as you're not Kira, I should be safe.
Uh-huh.
In the unlikely event that I die in the next few days, I've instructed your father and everyone at headquarters to assume that you are Kira.
You're telling him directly. It's the best way to block him.
Light, there you are. I had a photo shoot nearby, so I thought I'd come by
Yes!
and see you.
I wanted that.
Idiot. Wait, I've won. Misa will be able to see Ryuga's real name. Yeah, he has the exact same first and last name as the famous idol.
You know that he lied about. What?
Why the hell is he laughing?
You're a lucky guy. I have been
It's your
associated
second
with yours
girlfriend.
ever since the August issue of 18.
What? Really? That's so sweet of you.
Is this?
No way! Somebody just touched my butt!
Nah.
This is an outrage!
You did it? No.
Miss you already!
Oi, oi, oi.
Yeah. Actually, could you go on ahead? I need to go use the restroom.
You stop her phone. I can't see another reason for why you would put your hand on her butt. I know he's a boy and all, but come on.
I'm grateful that I was the one.
For trapping Light because you're suspecting maybe really Misa? Am I right with that? Am I right with that?
Elle, it's been fun. I'm grateful that I was the one to discover your name, so I could.
You were not, she was. I was right! First time that I'm right with this show.
What do you mean, hello?
Oh, is that you, Light? I guess someone must have dropped his phone.
Look it. Bastard.
We've taken her into custody under suspicion of being the second Kira.
How long has he known about me, Sakura?
I love this
We gathered
episode.
physical evidence from the envelopes that were sent by the second Kira.
The air.
I should have destroyed all the evidence before the police had a chance to go through it.
And when he saw that Misa was coming to see you, that she was one of your girlfriend, it made you even more suspect.
Not yet. The real battle is just beginning, Elle.
What?
Ryuza!
I've apprehended her on suspicion of being the second Kira. I'm afraid this is necessary.
Chances are.
It's too much, no?
You know how she kills, whether she knows Kira, and if so, who he really is. Light has now become our prime suspect, and I'm probably going to bring him in for interrogation as well. Please be prepared, Phil.
He knew her.
Finally, after 3 days of this, huh?
3 days of interrogation? Poor girl.
Kill me. Kill me. Please just kill me.
She's talking to Ren.
Does this mean you admit to being the second Kira? Is this the reason you wish to die?
No, she's not gonna.
I don't know anything about the second Kira. Kill me.
Do you really mean that, Misa?
I can't take it anymore. Kill me.
I said you were not gonna last for a long time, but I was thinking of Light killing you.
This is all his fault.
You won't kill me.
Stop her! Watari! Don't let her bite her tongue! Is it possible that this behavior could be attributed to Kira controlling her actions before death?
Misa has refused my offer to help her escape. No doubt because she knows it would cause you trouble. She started begging me to kill her. All of this because she wants you to love her. I couldn't bring myself to do it. There was only one way to save her from her suffering. Forfeiting ownership of the death note. All her memories related to it would disappear. All the murders she committed with it. The fact that you are Kira. Also, Misa would no longer be able to see Ryuko me either. When this is done, you'll forget everything about Shinigami and the Death Note. The human being who you love is like Yagami. I promise those feelings will remain.
Ah!
Forfeit ownership of the Death Note.
We're gonna keep
and
her,
leave everything to like Yagami.
but she's not gonna know anything.
Mm-hmm.
It's the only reason for her to accept. You saw it. What about the Shinigami eye?
I proposed this to Misa knowing it was exactly what you wanted and that it would serve your purposes. But I did so on one condition. That is, if you don't save Misa, I will kill you. I understand. And I have a pretty good idea what Elle will do next. I have a plan. This is goodbye, Ryuk.
Huh? Ah! I appreciate Ryuko. I want to keep Ryuko. Why would you say that to him? Let's resume what happened during this episode. You had Misa's hair on the tapes, on the envelopes and all of that. So you knew that Misa was the second Kira. You want to see Light to see if he knew Misa or something like that. She came during that moment, so you know that they know each other. Light was already your suspect before that. After discovering that, of course, he was gonna stay one of your suspects and even your first suspect top of the list. That's why you did that with the phones, and the fact that Light wanted to call her just after meeting with her and all, it could be for only one reason, you know, if they are connected like as Kiras and all. It's not to have news about her, you just met her. It was really clever what you just did, Elle. It was really great. Them questioning Misa like that, I don't appreciate it. I understand why, I understand that her being the second Kira, they know that it's not even a question. So I know that she can kill someone just like that. They don't know about Death Note and all of that. They don't know that she's not having it right now. So they just know that she's the second Kira, that she can kill people just like that. Of course, because of that, they're gonna block her, you know, because they don't know if she needs to use her hands, if she needs to use her eyes. They don't know how she's killing people, so of course they're gonna block her like that, and they're gonna question her being blocked like that, not seeing anything and all. Okay, but to see a teenager like that, you know, a girl, if you are forgetting that she's the second Kira, that she killed people, that she's weird like that she's in love with light, you know, her psychology. If you are forgetting everything about her and you are just considering that right there you have a teenager, a girl who is being questioned like that into that kind of position, it's humiliating, you know, it's really bad. It's I don't know how to say it, it's making me feel uncomfortable to see that, not only because she's a girl and because she's young, but just for regular people to be interrogated like that, it's torture. But again, I understand why. You have to consider that they are scared of her being able to kill them just like that, so they have to interrogate her like that. I understand the reasons, but to see it, it's painful a little. 3 days. 3 days that they took to interrogate her like that. I hope that she had time to sleep, to eat, to drink. I hope that you were nice with her for that. 3 days and she didn't break. She truly loved light. I'm saying loved. No, she truly loves light. I never had doubts, you know, about it, about her love for light. But maybe a little about her loyalty, if I have to be honest. Maybe I had doubts about that because of the fact that she's unpredictable and jealous. So I was like, if at some point the girl is discovering that light is flirting with other women, maybe she can go crazy. She didn't have the time to discover that, and she truly loves him, so she was protecting him 3 entire days, and at the end of it she was just begging for Rem to kill her. I mean, she was begging for the ones interrogating her to kill her, but also for Rem to kill her. Rem, she's really attached to that girl so much that she couldn't do it, and she prefers to erase all of the memories that she has, you know, that Misa has about the Shinigami and all. I'm wondering about the eye, you know, how it's gonna work after that. But okay, she's erasing all of these memories, all of the link with the Death Note, just like that. So now Rem, you're linked to Light because he has this Death Note, but Rem, she's gonna force you to save Misa. Misa is gonna continue to love Light even if she's gonna forget all of the memories which are connected to the Death Note and the Shinigami. How is she gonna remember, you know, Light? They met because of the Death Note of the Shinigami and all. How it's gonna work, you know, for her to remember that she loves Light, how she met him and all. Why not? I'm okay for that, but I'm waiting to see how they're gonna explain it. So I was wrong. Maybe he's not gonna kill her, at least not for the reasons that I thought, you know, the fact that she has a Shinigami, she has a Death Note, she's unpredictable and also she can be dangerous to you. And she's not gonna be dangerous at all after that because she doesn't have any memory about the Death Note and all. So she doesn't know your secrets. She can't be useful anymore because if you erased all of the memories, you also erased her real name. So maybe you're truly gonna keep her, and in a way you have to keep her. If you want to clean your name, you know, as a suspect to her, you have to play really with the fact that your boyfriend is gonna have to continue with that lie, and it's gonna be the best way to clean his name. But how can you save her? Because they are so convinced that this is her who did it. They found her hair and all. I really don't know how he can save her. That was such a good episode. You know, it totally transformed her position, her role into the show. I mean, Misa. I began during my intro by saying that she's unpredictable, that she can be dangerous for Light and all, and we're finishing the episode with her, okay, still unpredictable, but not dangerous at all. Not dangerous, but not also useful at all. We are finishing the episode with that's it. We have only one Kira again, we have only one person being able to do that. You're gonna have to save Misa. I don't know how you're gonna do that, but it's a good thing, you know, in fact, for Light what happened. Even if, because of that, he's never gonna know Elle's name, at least not like that. You know that I'm counting points between Elle and Light since a long time now. I'm saying at the end of each episode, okay, Elle, he won this episode, okay, Light, he won this episode. I think that right there, it's Elle who won that episode because of the fact that he knows that Misa was the second Kira. He arrested her after discovering that she knew Light, so he has Light as one of his main suspects even more than before this episode. And also he managed to cover his name during the time that they met, but also because of what happened with Rem and all, no one knows his name anymore. So really, Elle, he won that episode. But Light didn't lose it so much, in my opinion. He lost Misa being helpful because of the Shinigami Eye, but maybe she can be helpful to, I don't know, to hide him in a way. If he manages to clear her name, he's really gonna clear his name also at the same time. Do you understand what I mean? I don't know how we can do that, truly, but I can see that it can work like that. We'll see, and I'm gonna see that right now because I'm gonna watch one more episode. For you, it's gonna be in another day or maybe in another week, I don't know. Check the schedules that I post each Monday on YouTube, Patreon and Twitter. And that's it. It's all for you for today and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Rain